So hello everyone. Today in this Python tutorial we'll be diving deep into the world of sets. So let's discuss sets. What are sets? Sets are nothing but an unordered collection of unique items. So let's start with how we define the set in Python. So let's create a variable set, give it a value. Let's print out our set, and let's print out the type of set, type of a variable. Run this. So here, as you can see, we have defined our set with curly braces, and here we are printing out our set, and here you can see the type of this variable is set because we have enclosed our elements inside these curly braces. So that is how we define set. So let's see how we can find the length of set. As we have seen before in our previous examples in string, list, and tuple, so we will use the same length function to find the length of a set. With the help of length function, let's run this. As you can see, the length of our set is 5. It have printed out 5 because there are 5 elements in our set. So let's see how we can add elements into a set. So to add elements, we use add function. Let me show you. Let's add 6, for example. Let's print out a set here. Here you can see in this line, we have added 6 with the help of add function to our set, and here we have printed out our set, and here you can see the 6th element is added in our set. So we're done with adding. So let's see how we can remove elements in our set. So let's try removing 3. For this we use the remove function, which is an inbuilt function in set. So let's remove 3 and let's print out our set. Here you can see we have removed 3 in this line, and we have printed out the set again. Here you can see we have removed 3, and here you cannot see 3 because it has been removed. So let's perform some set functions. Right, let me clear this off. Let's define two sets here. Set 1, we take input as 1 comma 2 comma 3. Let's create another set, name it set 2. Will include 3 comma 4 comma 5. Now let's perform union. Operation. So union is a set operations as you learn in mathematics in your lower classes. Let's run this. Here you can see it have combined the sets, and it have also removed the duplicates. So that's how we do union of our sets with the help of union function, which is predefined function. Now let's see how we can do intersection, which is also an set operation. Print this out. See, you can see the intersection is 3 because the common element in both our set is 3. So we, with the help of the intersection inbuilt function, we are able to get the intersection of these two sets, which is 3. So let's do another, that is difference. Which is also a set function. Let's run this. See, it have printed out the difference of set 1 and set 2. So we're done with sets. So for recap, what are sets? Set in Python are unordered collection of unique elements. This makes them incredibly useful for various tasks like eliminating duplicates or testing memberships. So that's it for today. Thanks for joining. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Python tutorials. Happy coding. Thank you.